Welcome back, folks. Margot,
Yes.
I have my marker in my hands. So, what are we going to do?
A turtle.
A cute turtle.
It always has to be cute.
Yeah, I know that. Okay, in this case, I would say we could start trying to shaping the shell first, because probably it will be bigger than the head. And to do so, I would say we can do something a little bit, it's not actually a dome or whatever. We have this little shape for, because turtle shell, it's not that soft, let's say. And we have another one here. Okay, and we can have the head to be like here. Let's see if we can make it to be cute. Okay, and we have the cheek here. Okay, that's fine. Yes. Now we can have the shell to be closed like this, and now we have the legs. That could be one here, like, yeah, like a big leg, and then another one should be here. Okay. And the last one, because we don't see the fourth one because it's on the back, we have it here. That, yes. And now we close everything with the below part of the shell. Yes, like that. Oh, okay. That's coming out very well. Now, first of all, the shell. The shell could be like having different part in it. Okay, let's say we do the border to be this way. And yes. And then for this part in here, we can have this one here, and then random shape just to detail the shell a little better, like that. Yes. And here, okay, now this one will be here, and here probably we have this other piece like that, and this other piece like that. These can be just close this way, and the fourth one is there, and that's perfect. And we can have just another here, just to have a little bit of differentiation. And then they have something like that, like elephants, like so a little bit. Yes, I don't know if they are fingers or nails or probably nails. Yes, that's okay. And now the only thing missing, oh well, before there is the face. We have the shadow here, just to show that it's touching the ground. And then we're gonna have a simple face, like, I don't know, something like that. And we have the two eyes, make them big, like that. And the other one in here could be even bigger, like that. And obviously reflections. And we color them black. And I guess for what I see that this marker it's almost gone. So we have soon enough to find another one. I know.
There's shark.
Yes, exactly. They're kind of permanent, so I don't know. I have to double check if we can do a proper work with them. But yeah, I guess so. And chicks.
I was waiting for this moment.
Chicks. Like when you do pictures. Say chicks. Chicks.
That's cheese,
I
not
know. I was tricking you.
because you're obsessed with cheese. Because you remember when I was small, I had
Yes. That's
very big.
that's very true. So what do you think? Is this cute enough?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, guys. I hope you like it, and see you next time. Bye bye.
To our next challenge. Bye.
No challenge. Drawing. Bye.